Yeah.
Yep.
And
Hard skills, baby.
yeah, no, this is a hard skills intensive.
Yeah.
And the reality is, we protect high net worth individuals. So people that want what they have, the real threat, if any of you guys really run into a sophisticated threat, they're probably training right now. They're probably veterans, you know, of some military. Very probably, possibly US veterans, you know. They're out there right now fighting, getting in street fights, earning their stripes. They were out there this morning on the corner selling dope. They were in jail, you know, getting their stripes, doing horrible things. And they live from that space. So while we try to be respectful, honorable humans, work to take care of our families and live beautiful lives that as men we're able to create and give birth to and protect and provide for everyone under that umbrella, you know, and we're able to do that, we have to remember that we must actually stay dangerous. And whether you're on an EP detail or with a department, that does not mean you're dangerous, and that does not mean you are competent. Your badge, you know, your position, your detail leader spot doesn't make you competent, does not make you dangerous enough to outperform these guys that are doing whatever it is they were doing last night, they're doing right now. So this is how we do it, you know. I love that each and every one of you guys should be able to see my eyes. Each and every one of you guys, I gave you guys a bar that was up here this morning. No one complained, no one whined, no one did the math in their head and were like, no, there was nothing. Everyone just sunk, everyone just hunkered down, got ready for the fight psychologically, and stepped in. And that is beautiful. And that is what you're gonna have to do in executive protection. And that is what every good warrior does. You calculate it, you work it out with your team, you figure out how to get it done. There will be times when your client, there will be times when they're gonna be like, this is dangerous, you should not do this. And your client's gonna be like, cool, I want purple M&M's when I get there. You know, they're gonna be like, okay, cool. I'll see you downstairs at 6 and we're going. Like, so you're just gonna have to figure it out. You're just gonna have to have the balls to go into dangerous places with important people that are powerful enough to hire someone else if you're not willing or capable to do it. Okay, so, and I saw every single person pushing to the end. That was beautiful as well. Take your time, fight your way up in the mountains. Incremental progress is a fortress. You see someone that has a lot more than you, mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, incremental progress is the fortress. That's how you want to earn it, and that's how it comes. So, you know, and then once again, so much heart over here, my man. You know, we're over here starting to end index. He's got his Bose headphones in. He's just, oh, you know, that's beautiful. That really is. So I just want you guys to know so much honor and respect for you guys. This isn't something that we can see if I put you through a training exercise and you do good. That's awesome, but I want to know how you're going to do when you get punched in the face. You know what I mean? Like, I want to know how you're going to do when you get challenged, because fatigue does make cowards of us all. And today I got to see some of that stuff. You know, this isn't I don't care about as much about your test scores as I do about this stuff, because if you have this stuff, you can execute the test information 60-70% correct, and you'll have the violence and the see it through to make sure you and your people get to the other side. And that is generally what makes a difference. I'm not that smart, but man, I'm almost always willing to die over something. And that's the edge. So I love you guys. Honor and respect for each and every one of you guys getting out here and doing the best you can. We'll see you right out here on the grinder at 8:15. Thank you, gentlemen.
Let's go.
Boom.